everyone, and welcome back to English with Alice. Today, you're going to learn how to talk about different places that you have visited. And we're going to focus on using the present perfect tense, very important. You are going to be able to ask questions, give affirmative answers, and give negative answers. And I bet that 99% of you make this mistake. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So stick with me. Asking questions then. This is the word order. Have plus the person. Have you been to this place? Let's have a look at some examples. Have you been to England? Have you been to London? Have you been to Liverpool? It is incorrect to say, have you been in England? Have you been in London? Have you been in Liverpool? This is what I hear from every student, I would say. They use in, and actually, when we're talking about a place, you need to say been to. Okay, never in for countries and cities. Let's look at how we answer that question. So, have you been to England? To say in the negative, you need to say, no, I haven't been to England. Or no, I haven't been to Liverpool. Or a short answer, no, I haven't. Or no. To say this in the affirmative, yes, I have been to England. I have been to London 6 times. So here you can add how many times? Once, twice, 3 times, many times. Or a short answer, yes, or yes, I have. Why are we using the present perfect to talk about this? The reason why is because it is about a life experience. We're talking about in your whole life, right up to the present moment, have you visited these places? This is why we use the present perfect and not the past simple. This is really important. Been to and gone to, they have completely different meanings. Let's have a look at the difference. Been to is what we have been using to talk about the places we've visited. So let's look at been to. The meaning of this is that you visited the place and then you came back. And right now, you are here where the speaker is. For example, she has been to Japan. She visited Japan and then came home. I have been to Paris many times. So I'm not in Paris right now. I have visited the place, and I have returned. This is when we use been to talk about in your life the places you have visited. Gone to, then, how do we use this? This means the person has gone to the place, has traveled or is visiting a place, but they have not returned yet. They are still in the place. So if I say she's gone to Japan, right now in this moment, she's still in the country. She's still in Japan because she's gone there. What if I say, where's Tom? Tom's gone to the shop. He has gone to the shop. Right now, in this moment, he is still at the shop. So he's gone to the shop. That is the difference. So talking about places that you have visited in your life, you need to use been to, not gone to. Quiz time. This is where your learning consolidates. So let's see how you do in this quiz. You need to tell me if you think the sentence is correct or incorrect. If it's incorrect, we need to fix it. So, have you been in France? What do you think? I think there's a major problem here. The most common mistake that I see. What is the mistake? We don't say in. We say, do you remember? To. Have you been to France? Okay, number 2. I have been to Tokyo 3 times. I wish. I have been to Tokyo the amount of times. Does that seem okay to you? I think that one is correct. Number 3. She has gone to the supermarket. We need some more information to know if this is true. Let's look at the brackets. Now she is back home. So if she went and came back, this is not gone. Gone is when she's still there. So this sentence, what do you think? It's incorrect. We need to say she has been because she went and then she returned. She's been to the supermarket. Number 4, have you been to New York? Does that sound right to you? Does that sound natural? It is. It is correct. Have you been to New York? Okay, we've got a few more correct and incorrect, true or false. My friend has gone to Brazil. He's back now. So the information, the important information is here. He's back now. So my friend has been. He's back now. So gone, this sentence was incorrect, wasn't it? Incorrect. Number 6, I haven't been to Australia. I haven't been, we have 2. Looks okay to me. Number 7, have you been in Paris? What's the mistake here? This is wrong, isn't it? Because we have to and in, 2 prepositions together, incorrect. So it's just, have you been to Paris? And let's look at the last one. She has been to Spain twice. Sounds okay to me. So really, if you want to sound more natural and fluent, this is the tense you need to be using when you're asking someone about their travel experience. Okay, final part then, gap fill. We need to put these words in the sentences. So number 1, have you to Rome? Which one do you think it is? Been to, haven't, have, gone, times. Have you been to Rome? I something been to Mexico twice. I have, because this is affirmative, twice. So I have been to Mexico twice. Number 3, she has gone, so she's still there, something the cinema. I need to use the preposition to. She has gone to the cinema. She has gone to the cinema. Okay, number 4, no, I been to Canada. Negative then. Haven't. No, I haven't been to Canada. Number 5, he has been to Japan 3, must be times, 3 times. Been to Japan 3 times. We still have gone left. Maybe this could have been gone, depending on the context, right? But we're assuming, or I assumed in this, that I'm asking if someone has had the experience in their life of traveling to Rome. So I asked, have you been to Rome? Okay. How did you do on that one? We are going to move right on to the practice. Where have you been? Please write in the comments some of the cities, or if you have traveled abroad, which countries you have been to. I hope that was useful, and I'll see you again next time on English with Alice. Goodbye, everyone.